Integrating ideas, mastering English comprehension. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in both speaking and writing: integrating ideas. Understanding this will not only help you in comprehending complex texts but also in expressing your thoughts more clearly. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of integrating ideas together. Integrating ideas refers to the process of combining different thoughts, concepts, or pieces of information to form a cohesive understanding or argument. It's like putting pieces of a puzzle together. When you integrate ideas, you're not just repeating what others have said, you're combining these ideas to make something new and insightful. This skill is crucial for effective communication and critical thinking. Integrating ideas is key in many aspects of language. 1. Reading comprehension. It helps you understand the main message of a text by connecting various points. 2. Writing. It allows you to create essays or reports that are coherent and logically structured. 3. Speaking. When discussing or debating, it helps in presenting arguments that are well-rounded and persuasive. 4. Listening. It aids in grasping the essence of what's being said in conversations or lectures. Here are some steps to effectively integrate ideas. Identify the main ideas. Recognize the key points in what you read or hear. Analyze and compare. Think about how these ideas relate to each other. Do they support, contradict, or add to one another? Create connections. Look for ways to connect these ideas logically. Synthesize. Combine these connections into a coherent understanding or argument. Express clearly. When writing or speaking, present your integrated ideas in a clear and logical manner. Let's look at an example. Original ideas. Exercise improves physical health. Mental health is influenced by physical health. Integrated idea. Regular exercise not only enhances physical health but also positively impacts mental health. Notice how the two ideas are combined to form a more comprehensive statement. Integrating ideas is a fundamental skill in mastering the English language. It allows us to create deeper understanding and more persuasive arguments. Remember, it's all about connecting the dots to see the bigger picture. We hope this video helps you in your journey to become more proficient in English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.